Today we are going to learn how to attempt a DL question. DL question is describe the location of any feature that has been given in the map. So today we are going to be learning the tips and the tricks of how to attempt a describe the location question. Okay? So first of all, for describe the location question, you should be knowing the directional language. Okay? Now in the map it's always given the north side direction. So with the north side direction you should be able to make these sub directions as well, like north south, east west. Then with northeast, southeast, southwest covers this area and northwest covers this area. So you will find that the any feature that has been shown or highlighted on the map lies in which direction if you have drawn these directions or with yourself on the map. Okay, so this is the first tip in order to achieve a higher level for this question. Now, what are the tips and the tricks of achieving full marks in this question? So first of all, like this question asks you, describe the location of Suleiman Range using figure 1.1. So this is Suleiman Range. It has been given to you and you have to use only the figure. Only the figure means that you have to use the features that are present on the map, including the key. ठीक है, key में you have international boundary, like this is international boundary. You can share its location with the international boundary as well. This one, very small dots show the provincial boundary. So this is inside Pakistan is provincial boundary. KPK stands for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It's given in the key. Then the dot shows the city. And this is showing you the mountain range. So the key has always, it's always clear about what are the different features. As well as you can include in your location the lines of latitude as well as the lines of longitude. One more thing, you can also share the location of the specific feature within Pakistan, that in which part of Pakistan it is located, right? So we are going to start our answer right now. Your first point can be gained if you write that Suleiman Range lies in the central Pakistan. Okay? So you can get exactly 1 mark very clearly based on the location of the specific feature within Pakistan. Secondly, it is in Balochistan. Okay? You can gain simply 1 mark for it. Or you can say it, secondly, you can say it lies on or along the provincial boundary of Balochistan and KPK. Or you can say it lies on or along the provincial boundary of Balochistan and Punjab. Okay? You can also say it is lying between the northeast of Sindh. अब ये देखें, north east of Sindh. आपको directional language से समझ आ रही है. North east of Sindh. It's also lying in the northeast of Arabian Sea. North east of Arabian Sea. Okay? It's also lying in the south-west of Peshawar. South-west of Peshawar. Okay? Achha, you can also count the distance. For the distance, I'm going to make a new video of how to measure the distance given from the key on the map. For that, I'm going to make another video. Okay? You can also say it's lying between the longitudes of 68 degree east and 72 degree east. Or you can say it's lying between the latitudes of 32 degree north, 28 degree north and 32 degree north. So if you are mentioning the lines of longitude and the lines of latitude, that can only be giving you 1 mark. Either you mention the lines of latitude or you mention the lines of longitude.